Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix no sound during calls on your REALME C63. So what you guys want to do first is, while you're in a call, check the volume. So basically, I'm talking about when you're in a call, then press the volume up all the way, because here, as you guys can see, you have it right here, and while you're in a call you might have it like that. So try to change the call volume all the way to the max, then click done. You can also do that in the settings, so let me show you. Here we have the settings. Now go to sounds and vibration, and right here we will have the call volume. So try to change that all the way to the max and then test it out. Now what you guys can do is disable Bluetooth to rule out any connected devices to the REALME. So click on Bluetooth in the settings. Now here, make sure that it's disabled or that no device is connected. So after that, what you guys can do is try to clean the earpiece with a soft cloth or a soft brush. It doesn't really matter, just to make it clean. And after that, try and test with another call or maybe a call from another app. So instead of using the phone, you could use the WhatsApp or any other platform that has the call system. Now, if none of that worked, then what you guys can do is restart your smartphone. So press the power button and the volume up button. Now here, scroll all the way down, and now let go with your finger. Basically it will turn off the phone. So I know I said restart, but you need to power it off, then wait a couple of seconds, and when you're restarting it, then you're not waiting those a couple of seconds that you need. So now, as you guys can see, the phone is turned off. Let's wait a couple of seconds more, like 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. No, it wasn't 5 seconds, but still we can just press the volume button now and wait for our phone to turn back on. So I'll see you guys once the phone is ready to use. Now simply, after the restart, enter your password if you have one and unlock the phone. And now what you guys can try to do is basically reset the settings. So I'll show you guys what I mean. Let's go to settings. Now wait for them to turn on after the restart and scroll a bit down until you guys see system. Now, also not the system, but it was system, yes. Now here we need to back up our data first, so click backup, and here make sure to enable the backup by Google One and click backup now. After that, click reset phone and clear all data permanently. So that's basically it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, then leave a like, sub and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.